Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Grep is a powerful utility that is commonly used to search for patterns in text data. In Python, you can achieve similar functionality for multi-layered iterable objects, example lists of strings, nested lists, etc., using list comprehensions and regular expressions, from the module. This tutorial will guide you through the process of searching for strings that match a specific pattern in multi-layered iterables. Before we begin, make sure you have the following. First, make sure you have Python installed on your system. You can download it from the official Python website, python.org. You'll also need to import the module for regular expression functionality. In Python, you can implement a grep-like functionality using list comprehensions and the module. The key steps involved are as follows. Let's work through an example to demonstrate how to use grep with multi-layered iterables. Suppose you have a nested list of strings like this. You want to find all the strings that contain the letter A. Here's how you can achieve this using grep. In this example, the pattern is set to RA, which matches any string containing the letter A. The list comprehension iterates through the nested list data and filters out the matching strings. The output will be. You can customize the pattern to match any regular expression you need for your specific use case. You've learned how to implement a grep-like functionality in Python to search for matching strings in multi-layered iterables. By using the module and list comprehensions, you can easily filter and extract strings that match your specified patterns. This technique is versatile and can be applied to various data processing tasks in Python. ChatGPT